Okay, a couple of quick tips here just to help you on your way with some neat sort of things you can do with SmartTrade. First thing is right mouse click. If you right mouse click on a line in a grid like this one here, it means you can do things in the context of that drop down menu. So you could archive the job that's highlighted, dispatch it to a PDA, add another job, delete the job, view that job, edit the job, open and edit it, or even export the data in the grid that's been found out to an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the job. Of course you can just double click on the job like that and it'll open as well. Okay, so same deal inside a job. Up here in the client field, it's got an asterisk at the end of the field as well, so any field name that has an asterisk at the end of it, like that, it also means there's something you can do. So right mouse clicking again, I can see that I've got options. Also there are hotkeys. Hotkeys for certain functions when you're in a field are shown in these menus. So Control and A will be select all, and so on. So Control S means you can go and search the full client database for another customer perhaps. Okay, same is true of the site field. You can right mouse click and add and so on. And if I come over here onto say the job category field, again I can right mouse click, and this one the menu is a little bit different, and that allows me to either add or edit that job category. So there you go, that's it, enjoy.